Hello everyone, I'm Selvaraj Sanjay from ENH iSecure. Today, we will focus on the integration of Active Directory with Okta's Universal Directory. Now, let's move on to the agenda. In this session, we will begin with an overview of Okta Universal Directory, a robust identity management solution. Following that, we will explore its key features and benefits. Next, we will discuss the importance of Active Directory integration, along with some necessary prerequisites. We will then guide you through the integration process before wrapping up with an exploration of provisioning in Okta. I'm excited to introduce you to Okta Universal Directory. This powerful feature enables organizations to manage user identity seamlessly across various systems. Many companies have multiple identity sources with different type of users such as employees, contractors, partners, customers and acquired companies employees. Universal Directory provides IT admin a consolidated view to manage users, groups and devices across identity sources that are connected to Okta. Universal Directory works by being the central train station for all environments or sources of truth as Active Directory and HR system. For example, your customer can have HR system, multiple workday environment, LDAP and many other identity sources. They all can be integrated to Okta so their users all are controlled in one central location. Okta Universal Directory provides a central identity management plane to securely manage users, groups and devices. Now let's look into the key features and benefits of Okta UD. These are the key features and benefits. Now I'll be explaining each in detail. First, let's discuss unlimited AD and LDAP integration. Okta Universal Directory allows you to connect with multiple Active Directory and LDAP instances effortlessly. This means you can centralize user management across various directories without any limitations. Whether you have one or multiple directories, you can easily pull in user data and maintain a single source of truth. Next is delegated authentication. With Universal Directory, you can authenticate user directly against your existing Active Directory or LDAP servers. This ensures a smooth login experience while keeping your user credentials secure. By leveraging your current directory services, you can enhance security and compliance without adding any unnecessary complexity. One of the standout features of Universal Directory is automated user import and synchronization. This functionality allows you to automatically import users from AD or LDAP and keep their profiles updated in real time. Say goodbye to manual data entry and outdated profiles. Everything stays in sync, which saves time for your IT team and ensures users always have access to the most current information. Finally, Universal Directory offers unlimited creation and storage of custom user profiles. This flexibility allows you to design user profiles tailored to your organization's unique needs. Whether you require specific fields for job titles, departments, or any other attributes, you can accommodate it all. You can create rich, detailed profiles that enhance user management and provides a better experience. Okta Universal Directory offers several significant benefits that enhance identity management within organizations. First, it creates a single source of truth for all user information, ensuring that user data is consistent and easily accessible across all applications. This centralization helps reduce dependency on on-premises Active Directory or LDAP, allowing organizations to leverage cloud capability more effectively. Additionally, Okta UD securely stores users and passwords, providing robust security measures to protect sensitive information. Finally, it enables organizations to enhance password policies, ensuring compliance with best practice and improving overall security posture. Together, these benefits make Okta Universal Directory an invaluable asset for managing user identities. Let's try to understand why we need to integrate Active Directory with Okta. Effective identity management is essential for modern organizations, particularly as the transition to cloud-based applications. Microsoft Active Directory and Lightweight Directory Access Protocol serves as central repositories for user identities, providing access control to on-premises resources. However, as companies adopt more cloud applications, they often face the challenge of managing multiple user stores, leading to password proliferation and difficulties in access control. This fragmentation can result in security vulnerabilities, and administrative inefficiency, especially when it comes to deprovisioning accounts for departing employees. To address these challenges, integrating cloud applications with single shared identity store is crucial. Okta offers a streamlined solution that simplifies this integration process by providing a single point of integration for both on-premises and cloud-based applications. Okta eliminates the complexity associated with managing multiple directory integration. Its approach requires no programming skills and includes features like real-time provisioning, intelligent user synchronization, and robust delegated authentication. Okta's architecture includes lightweight agent for both AD and LDAP that facilitate user provisioning and authentication without the need for extensive setup or maintenance. This allows organizations to leverage their existing directories while easily managing access to new cloud applications. Ultimately, effective identity management through solutions like Okta enhances security, improves user experience, and simplifies administrative process in an increasing complex digital landscape. The Okta directory integration offers simple and secure setup, just-in-time provisioning, delegated authentication, real-time sync, single sign-on, provisioning, deprovisioning. Before we dive into the integration process, let's look at the prerequisites. For Okta, you need an account with super admin privileges. On Active Directory side, ensure your server has at least 2 CPUs and 8 GB of RAM, is running Windows 2016 or above, and has the .NET Framework version 4.6.2 or higher installed. Additionally, the server must be part of the same domain. Let's dive into the integration flow. In this integration flow, there are a few steps involved. First, we need to install the Okta Active Directory agent. We can download the Okta AD agent from the Okta admin console and install it on Windows Server that has network access to your AD domain controller. This agent facilitates communication between Okta and your AD instance without requiring firewall changes. Second, agent configuration. During installation, provide your Okta URL and AD administrator credential. The agent will create a low privileged read-only integration account to securely connect to your AD. Third, select organizational unit. Identify which OUs from your AD you want to import into Okta. This step allows you to filter the users and groups that will be synchronized. Fourth, attribute mapping. Configure which user attribute, example username, email addresses, etc., you wish to import from AD into Okta. This ensures that user profile in Okta reflects the necessary information from AD. Fifth, define user data exchange. Specify how and when user data is exchanged between Okta and AD. You can choose between just-in-time provisioning, which creates user accounts on demand, or schedule import for regular updates of user accounts and attributes. Sixth, import users and groups. Execute the import process to bring users and groups from AD into Okta based on the configuration set earlier. This can be done immediately or scheduled for regular intervals. Seventh, assign application and policies. Once users are imported, assign them to relevant application within Okta. You can also set policies for password management, multi-factor authentication, and group-based access control. We will explore the provisioning tab in Okta as it relates to our integration with Active Directory. This feature is important for managing user accounts effectively between Okta and AD. Provisioning is crucial for maintaining accurate user records within an organization. The provisioning tab allows you to configure how user data is created, updated, and managed within Active Directory through Okta. This integration streamlines user management by enabling automatic synchronization of user attributes and account statuses. For instance, if a new employee joins a company, then their information is entered into AD. That employee's account can be automatically provisioned into Okta without manual intervention using just-in-time provisioning. This provisioning tab includes two main sections, To App and To Okta. To App, which manages how user data is provisioned from Okta to external application, in our case AD, and To Okta, which handles provisioning user from AD into Okta as an identity provider. We would also love to connect with you on other platforms. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update.